What is going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about altcoin season coming soon. Quick update. A lot of you already saw me earlier throughout the day, and if today is your first time seeing my channel, go ahead and make sure to smash that like button for me. Most importantly, go ahead and smash that subscribe. Completely free, doesn't cost you not even 1 penny. So if you do want to go ahead and support the channel, go ahead and do that. As I mentioned, let me go ahead and pull out my stream on my mobile device. I don't know why I said no, mobile device, on my phone, to go ahead and double check if we are officially live. And if we are live, go ahead and make sure to comment down below and let me know. Oh, it looks like we are actually live. Awesome possum. So let's go ahead and get the stream going. Let me go ahead and get my link up and running. Hopefully audio is all set up, everything's good. Little late stream today, just wanted to go ahead and do a quick little market update, see if we could go ahead and catch on anything that we missed out today. Dabmaster, how's it going, my guy? Hope you're having a good one today. Well, good night, right? Let's go ahead and get this up and running. Awesome possum. All right, so let's go ahead and get this stream up and running right now. So we're gonna go ahead and wait a few more minutes while we get a few of you tuning in right now. If you are tuning in onto the live, go ahead and make sure to smash that like button for me. Most importantly, go ahead and comment down below. Suave, how's it going, Suave? Hope you're doing good. Hope you had a great day today, or good night for many of you. It looks like my stream is slowly kind of lagging behind. A little bit over 4 watchers right now. Go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's get this stream popping. Hey, Happy, how's it going? Hope you're having a good one. Dadmaster says, I am just getting ready for bed. Awesome. Me too, man. Me too. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do a quick little update on the market. I don't think much has changed, to be honest. But I am trying to go ahead and get that consistency up and running, where I mentioned I will be live streaming twice a day. That's the goal. And ideally by in the new year, as soon as we hit 2024, the goal would be doing 2 live streams a day and a total of 2 other videos. So we're going to be averaging anywhere between 3 to 4 videos 7 days a week. So if that's the kind of content you want to go ahead and get from me, smash that like button for me, subscribe. We are going to be growing like freaking crazy these next couple months. Huge collaborations coming soon as well. I'm already speaking this into existence. All right, so let's go ahead and get the stream going on today. We kind of already did an update earlier today, so we're going to see overall right now what we could go ahead and find on the market. Anything has changed or not. Usually what I like to go ahead and do for me personally, I like to go ahead and double check the market twice, usually towards the noon throughout the day and then towards the night. Looks like ENU actually pumped 140 freaking percent. So this one was one of the alpha that actually Tillery mentioned and talked about. Looks like Wolf is up 57%. Looks like a lot of these meme tokens are actually coming back. We have YGG down 1.7. Ape had 23%, man. 2.5% Array. JTO 1.8. GM Fam 31.9%. So congratulations to all of you that did load up on a lot of these projects. Baby Grok up 96%. So it looks like a lot of these meme tokens are coming back. Dog still down about 38%. Pepe 2.0 slightly up. Bonk as well, and then Grok and Grok 2.0 are lacking down behind. So we're going to go ahead and see how this market reacts moving forward, and we're going to go ahead and see if we are still entering some sort of altcoin season, meme coin season. Let's go ahead and see what happens. So Syntax, how's it going, my guy? I haven't seen you in a while, bro. Hope you're having a good one today. Vernon, so sorry for your loss on Pepe too. I too had quite the misfortune trading a Solana meme coin called Dubai, which more than 30x a couple days ago after I sold. I still made a small profit, but man, hey, congratulations on the profits, man. Profit is profit. So just look at the bright side. It is what it is. We can't go ahead and hit them all every time, and that's just part of the market, right? So one thing that I've always heard from a lot of people always say is that no one's ever became poor taking profits, right? So even if you didn't capitalize on that 30x, just go ahead and see what you could go ahead and apply for the next project moving forward, and just know there's going to be plenty of opportunities, Vernon, moving forward. So don't worry about that, and smash that like button for me. I'm glad to go ahead and have you here. So how's it going? Syntax, can we take a look at Yacht token traded on MEXC? Yeah, 100%. Syntax, can you go ahead and provide the contract if you don't mind, please? We're going to go ahead and pull out TradingView right now and pull out Yacht and do some quick TA on Yacht. Feel free to go ahead and comment down below any other project you want me to go ahead and do some TA on or talk about. Let's see, yacht. Why doesn't it come out? I'm not seeing yacht right here. So if you could go ahead, all right here. Is it yacht Yaniverse USDT spot on MEXC, I'm assuming. If you could go ahead and provide the smart contract, just double check as well, that'll be great. But as always, chat, if you want to go ahead and support my channel, just go ahead and smash that like button for me. It's completely free. Smashing that subscribe button as well. Let's go ahead and get past through. I think we need a little bit over 10 more subscribers to break past that, I think, 4,500 mark. So let's go ahead and make that happen in this next coming week. But I do want to go ahead and say, if you want to support me as well, make sure to use my MEXC link down below. $20,000 in sign-up bonuses, no KYC, and literally takes less than 3 seconds to create an account. It's actually one of my preferred platforms when it comes to trading because it's so easy to go ahead and not only trade, but it's really easy to go ahead easily. I don't even think that's a term, right? Vocabulary, proper vocabulary. It's really easy to go ahead and create an account without having to go through all this BS KYC nonsense. But if you do want to support me, this is one of the best ways. In the meantime, while we get, you know, the channel fully monetized. Vernon says, honestly, I could have turned my $400 to $12,000, man. I completely feel you on that, man. There, just trust me. There's going to be plenty of opportunities for you to go ahead and make thousands of dollars. I promise you. This is not the first time. We're going to have a lot of opportunities in the market. So as long as you could go ahead and see what you could go ahead and learn from your previous mistake, or maybe selling a little bit too early, maybe next time just go ahead and keep a small little bag just in case we do have the market take off, like the token that you were in that you weren't able to capitalize fully, right? Just don't think about it too much. Try not to FOMO in, but just know that there's always going to be opportunities out there for you to go ahead and make those thousands of dollars. Trust me. And I'm glad to go ahead and hear that you at least took some profits. Vernon says, in that case, I would have helped you out considering your Pepe 2.0 liquidation. I appreciate you, man. That really does mean a lot to me. It really does mean a lot to me, bro. I'm just glad that you made some money, you know what I mean? And trust me, we're going to be making a lot of freaking money this bull run. And there's going to be plenty of opportunities for us to go ahead and do that all together. So I think that's the most exciting part, right? Making money together as a team, chat. So we're going to go ahead and do some quick TA on Syntax. I'm assuming this is the one that Syntax, or quick TA on Yacht. This is the token that Syntax recommended for us. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hourly, see if we can find any kind of area of support. We do actually see that an area of support is around the 0.17 cents. If we do go ahead and break above the 0.27 cents, we could be approaching this next zone at 42. So we could actually be seeing about a 50% increase from the zone, actually about 111%. So about a 1x increase on this. Currently is trading on spot on MEXC. As I mentioned, if you want to support me, make sure to use the link down below. But it's looking pretty good on this consolidating phase on the 4 hourly chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily right now real quick. And daily looks like it is trying to go ahead and break out to the upside. So definitely be expecting to break out to Yacht coming soon. And we could be approaching this 54 cents and above. So I really don't know what this token's about, but it does look like it is getting some bullish momentum picking up on that. Let's go ahead and take a look at crypto bubbles. Looking at crypto bubbles, it looks like slightly everything's down right now. It looks like a lot of dips have been eaten. Looking at the daily, we still see a lot of these tokens still pumping like freaking crazy. AVAX with the 16.7%. BNB at 8%, OP 14%. So it looks like the market's kind of picking up a little bit, right? I think roll Bitcoin. Maybe we should consider, you know, investing into these crypto. What is it? Casino coins. I never thought about it. What was their all-time high? It was actually recently back in November at 24 cents. It's freaking insane. It was actually at 0.02 back in March. Wish I was looking at this. Freaking insane. At 11 cents, pumped from 11 cents all the way up to 20 cents, dumped all the way back down to 10, and now it's back up at 21 cents. I think the casino coins are gonna be the move for sure. I mean, it's up what 5,196% up. It's about 50x, I believe. Check out. Let's go ahead and check out the token that Vernon provided to us. I don't know why it's not refreshing on chat on my end on the computer. Is there any way you could go ahead and show it to me on? Okay, never mind. Wait, it's loading up. Hold on. Is there any way? Okay, never mind. I got it. Okay, let's go ahead and check this smart contract. Copy, copy, copy. Yeah, but congratulations on any of you that took ENU on that play on that one. So which one is it? Is it this first one, second one, third one? Let's go ahead and do this one right here. Yeah, Solana tokens are going to be the play. How did you get into this, Vernon? Like, I really want to know how you found out about the Solana play. Like, I definitely was just talking to chat earlier today. I was telling everybody how the next play, I believe we should all be focusing on looking for Solana Alpha, and also, you know, throwing a little bit of money into Solana meme tokens will be the next move, in my opinion. Adobe, is this another dog? Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Adobe, the Solana Deutsch. Insert the new website. Buy on Radium. Adobe is a category of dog that you will see with the cops. Adobe protects its users from any outer threat. So as we do here, we are here to protect Solana from invaders. This project responds to the popular demand of dog-based narratives in the crypto space. Adobe was created in response to demand and provide value to the ecosystem. Adobe is more than just a cryptocurrency; it's also a movement. We believe that Solana has a potential to change the world for better, and we are committed to making it more exclusive for welcoming everyone. So they have staking, Adobe NFT, Adobe bot. That's actually pretty cool. Adobe merch. Interesting. How do you find these freaking Solana based tokens? I think you were the one that told us too, Vernon, about Bonk, actually, if I'm not mistaken, right? You told us about Bonk when it first a few months ago when we were trading it back in November. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and have Adobe on my watches. I mean, honestly, I really don't like the low liquidity. This thing's kind of scary to me. I'm just gonna go ahead and probably say maybe, you know, Dex Tools has the wrong information. Let's go ahead and check one more time on this chart. What is this, Dex? I'm assuming this is probably Dex View or something. No. Okay, so this is what, yeah, it's another website, but let's see how much liquidity it shows right here. Liquidity 75,000. Yeah, liquidity is freaking insane scary though. But I mean, look how much this thing pumped. Freaking 2,000. Yeah, that's a 30x. Yeah, that's a freaking 30x. Congratulations, man. Vernon says, I looked at some Solana trending meme coins, saved wallet addresses, and watched what they invested in. At the moment, I'm looking at what different profitable Solana meme coin traders are investing in. Yeah. Nice, bro. How did you find these profitable Solana traders? I definitely do want to go ahead and get some more alpha in that, because I know you told us about Bonk. Bonk freaking has gone berserks. Thank you on that, alpha. So chat, if all of you are watching this stream right now, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, because a lot of you do give alpha to each other. I mean, literally, Tillery was talking about ENU. Up over 121%. Vernon actually talked about Bonk early on back in November, I believe it was, or even early October. And we've been making freaking money trading Bonk. Even though I haven't made videos on Bonk, like we were always trading Bonk. A lot of you, together with Glenn, Vernon, and a few of you were trading Bonk all together. Billy. We've all made some really good profits on Bonk. And then ENU took off as well. Tillery mentioned that one. GM Fam was actually from Dabmaster. So a lot of you have actually been providing a lot of freaking alpha for chat. So if you are now tuning in onto the live stream, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because this is what we do here in this community. We go ahead and help support each other out, and we look for freaking alpha together as a team, right? Because we're all here to go ahead and make money together. The more we work together as a team, the easier it is for us to go ahead and find this alpha. So now we have Adobe as some sort of alpha, in my opinion. This does look like it's currently looking for some area of support. So I'm definitely going to be eyeing this one. I'm currently sitting at 726,000 market cap. You know how I feel about Solana tokens. I was telling all of you that with Solana tokens, especially meme tokens, you could go ahead and have some sort of leverage with Solana taking off. So definitely Solana is the freaking play when it comes to a lot of these meme tokens. Let's see if we could actually go ahead and expect Adobe coming out with, you know, being listed on an exchange. That'd be pretty cool. We'd definitely go ahead and see some more upside if we do go ahead and get some sort of exchange listing with Adobe on that. So that's some pretty alpha. We have Yacht too. That's pretty good. Let's see. Vernon says, yeah, they could have had rugged it already. Yeah, it's actually quite interesting though. It's just the liquidity is actually quite scary. I'm not going to go ahead and sit here and lie. But I don't know. I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of tokens with scary liquidity, and yet they still pump. Like, for example, Wolf. Tillery was actually talking about Wolf, and I mentioned how crazy this liquidity looks, and it wasn't even at a million market cap actually. So, you know, a lot of you are printing money right now. So congratulations. I don't know, maybe liquidity is not as important as I thought. GM is one of the other plays, 1.14% or 1.14 of liquidity. A lot of massive buy-ins on GM. I did mention this thing was going to be having some sort of breakout to a cup and handle pattern. And it looks like this pattern is actually playing out right now as we freaking speak. So we are literally getting in the breakout. Look, let me go ahead and delete this real quick. So I'm going to be making a video on this. I was supposed to make one today, but I'll probably just go ahead and do one tomorrow instead, because I'm on the live stream right now. But check this out. Look at that. I drew this line right here, and I said as soon as we get this breakout, you know, above it, we're going to go ahead and see a massive pump to the upside. So you could be expecting GFAM pumping really, really freaking crazy. Another up 200 freaking % on GFAM moving forward as well. Vernon says, I was just watching the trading activity on Solana meme coins and looked at the traders behind those transactions. Interesting. Found some profitable ones from that. That's really cool, man. It's a pretty good strategy. Yeah, all you have to do is just go ahead and dedicate some time to it. You dedicate some time to it and really sit down and really like dissect all of this. You could go ahead and be finding a lot of freaking opportunities. You know, the thing is that most people are not willing to do that. Like what Vernon's doing, what Tillery's doing, what Dabmaster's doing, what a lot of you are doing. A lot of you are really dissecting, you know, whether you guys are, you know, looking at what whale activities are going on, you know, looking at certain TA or just following certain people on Twitter and really analyzing. That's how a lot of you are capitalizing on a lot of these freaking pumps. So congratulations to all of you on all of that. Let's go ahead and talk about Grok, because I know we talked about Grok a while back, and I really want to know if Grok is still sitting at this area of the 618. So let me go ahead and pull out Grok right now. It's actually quite interesting because you know how I got liquidated yesterday? It looks like this was just a freaking straight liquidity grab. Like you just can't make this up. Like literally they wrecked all the longs yesterday. And I wouldn't be surprised if we go ahead and finish this week really, really strong with a lot of these altcoins and meme tokens. So definitely be enjoying a ride to the upside moving forward. But Grok is still slightly around the 618. I think it's slowly actually lost it a bit. Let me go ahead and pull out my Fibonacci real quick. Where's my Fibonacci at? Oh, it's right here. Yeah, so this is in the 618 right here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know why my Fibonacci is not on spot. It's interesting. I don't know. That's weird. On Dex Tools, it was the Fibonacci was literally like this was a 618. That was an interesting thing. Vernon says, how much did you lose on Pepe 2.0? I didn't lose much, man. So I got wrecked on one of my positions a few days ago. I put a stop loss at $100 and actually closed me out at $400. So it brought my account back to $800, and then from $800 it fully liquidated me. So I only lost about $800, not too much. I didn't lose too much money. Yeah, luckily I didn't lose all my money, but altogether this month alone I lost a little bit over $1,500. $1,200 or $1,500. Oops. Let's go ahead and pull out CoinMarketCap real quick. Yo, Billy, how's it going, my guy? Hope you're having a good one today, man. So go ahead and continue to go ahead and shill some more tokens. I mean, honestly, I just wanted to go ahead and hop on live and kind of talk to a lot of you, but not many of you are talking. So let's go ahead and see what we could go ahead and talk about. I mean, overall, the market looks like it's picking up. I did mention we could go ahead and be seeing some sort of upside. I guess we could go ahead and do some TA on some of these tokens. Unless you want me to go ahead and provide any technical analysis on any of these tokens, just go ahead and comment down below. But a lot of these tokens that a lot of you have been chilling these last couple days have literally been printing a lot of freaking money. Syntax says, sorry for your liquidation, bro. It's all good, man. I appreciate you a lot. You know, honestly, Chad, like the thing that I definitely look forward to every day, even when I get liquidated or I lose money, it's really all of you. You know, I really do appreciate all of you, you know, tuning in. And I really do appreciate all of you when it comes to the support. And it's good because we all get to go ahead and share the same moments together, right? He's like, you get to see both sides. Like when I make freaking $20,000 and when I lose $20,000 and when I lose freaking everything, you know, it's part of the game, it's part of trading. It's definitely a degen thing, but yeah, moving forward, definitely going to go ahead and change our strategy. Vernon says, crazy how I could have had something not too far from your Grok loss from one unleveraged trade. Yeah, 100%, man. Dab Master, the Wojak NFT sold out in 20 minutes. Floor is 0.05 ETH. What was the mint price? Vernon says a lot of meme coins have been great. Love those non-existent fees, basically. Yeah, 100%, man. That's the reason why I've been saying these Solana tokens are going to be the freaking move. Now the thing is, for me, my job moving forward is looking out for this freaking alpha before they go live. Like that's what I want to know. Like I want to go ahead and find out when these actually tokens pump. And I think moving forward, I want to kind of focus a little bit on the channel being more towards Solana. Like I never thought I would ever say that in my freaking life. Like John and Solana together is freaking insane. But I think that's what we should be focusing together moving forward. Vernon says, sad I didn't hold. Would have loved to help you out so you could close the year out well. I appreciate you, Vernon. That's really, you know, that means a lot more. That, you know, you telling me that means a lot, man. I really do appreciate you a lot. Dammaster says, if you paid in Wojak, it was a 0.015 ETH. So they slowly kind of dropped. So the Wojak NFT slowly or slightly dumped is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so I'm going to start looking for some freaking Solana tokens. I just don't know how to find them. And we also have to remember there's also Avalanche tokens. So I have to go ahead and learn how to freaking swap on Solana and do all this. I really don't know how to do that. I've never actually like traded freaking Solana tokens like that. Looks like this one's actually a one that's pumping to SS SHIB. What is this, Solana? Oh, this thing got rug pulled, I think, right? This thing get rugged? It just says NA. I don't know, I'm going to save that one. Maybe that's another play. Oh, they are up. Okay, they are up. AVAX is pumping before they do crazy pumps, perhaps. 100%. AVAX, yeah, AVAX seems like AVAX is also the play chat, by the way. I was talking to Tillery earlier today, and I believe I was also talking to Dabmaster about, you know, meme tokens on AVAX blockchain, Avalanche. So I think this also might be the play moving forward. So see, my job moving forward now, it's really to go ahead and start looking at these blockchains that not that many people are talking about yet. You know, I feel like not a lot of people are actually talking about these meme tokens, or at least maybe I haven't done any research. So I think that, but I don't think I've come across anybody really talking about, you know, Solana or slightly Solana, right? But not much about AVAX. I haven't heard anybody talk about AVAX freaking meme tokens until today. You know, Tillery was the first one that told me, and I was like, what the heck? Like, AVAX is the move? Billy says, I get paid tonight, so I'm going to do some AVAX plays. That's nice, bro. Let's freaking pump it up. I don't get freaking paid till next month, so it's kind of a bummer, you know what I mean? So I'm not going to be buying any freaking crypto for literally the rest of the freaking month, and I probably won't be able to be honest. Probably won't be able to buy any freaking crypto till the beginning of next year. So that kind of sucks. Literally blew all my freaking money, dude. Like, oh my gosh. You just can't make this thing up. I just hope all of you make money, right? That's all that really matters. Jug.ag is a great way, better than Radium. What is jug.ag? Is that a... If you could provide the smart contract, that'd be pretty cool, bro. Yeah, no, we can't see it. I'm trying to see the Wojak NFTs. Let's see if we can pull those out. Billy says, you think BTC is going to be dumping next week? I think we could go ahead and see a dump on BTC for sure. We're going to go ahead and do some quick TA on that, but I do believe we will be seeing some sort of dump on BTC. At least I feel like we will. Obviously, I could be completely wrong, right? The Wojak NFTs are out already. It just came out today. Vernon says, I found another Solana meme coin like Dobie. I'll help you, John, $100. Damn, bro, that means a lot, my guy. Definitely hit me up after the stream, bro. That definitely means a lot, man. We also need to talk about Bobo too. We need to talk about Bobo, because I know Bobo is supposed to be a hype one too that we were talking about a while back. But are these the NFTs with Wojak? Let me check this out. I think they might be. Oh, you could actually mint freaking Harry Potter Obama what is it? NFTs as well. It's pretty cool. Interesting. It's an aggregator, excellent for Solana. Really? Hey, can you provide the smart contract for that token that you were just talking about, Vernon? That'd be great, bro. Let's go ahead and check the fear and greed chart, and then we'll talk about Bitcoin real quick. I know I'm kind of losing thought, but we could also go ahead and do some TA on Solana too if you want. 100% I meant. I sent the OpenSea link to you on DM. All right, for sure. I'll check my DM right now. So we are actually back to 67 on greed, so that's actually looking pretty freaking good. Let's go ahead and look at my DMs. I have not opened them up. Okay, I'm checking my DMs real quick. Hey, dude, that's freaking crazy, man. Okay, that's freaking crazy. Look at what Dab Master sent me, man. Look at this. So Dab Master sent me this. This is freaking insane. Like, you can't make any of this up. I'm assuming this is the market, right? Like, this is like the market. Like, we're chilling. We're like, yeah, we're so back. And then it dumps. And we're like, yeah, it's freaking over. And then this is where we have the major freaking pump to the upside, which I definitely see that coming. Like, I definitely freaking see that coming. That's the reason why I've been titling the videos like altcoin season. It's coming soon. Because I do believe that's exactly what's going to freaking happen. Like, I feel like that was a liquidity grab. Like, we were talking about that, you know, Billy and I yesterday. And we were just talking about, like, dude, that's freaking insane. So it looks like this is Dab Master's NFT that he just got. That's freaking cool, bro. It has kind of like the Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 inspiration behind it, huh? Pretty cool NFTs. Really weird, I'll tell you that. Really freaking weird NFTs, to go ahead and say the least. Quite interesting, unique. Bro, look at this one right here. It's definitely some trippy art, I tell you that. Definitely some crazy stuff right here. It's like, this is some crazy, crazy stuff.
What's good, dog? You still doing this shit or what?
I'm streaming, man. But yeah, this is freaking insane. Crazy, crazy freaking NFTs.
What up, boys?
But let's see. I sent the NFT. It's at a website for swapping Solanas, not a coin. What's a website called? I mean, sorry. Yeah, what's a website, Vernon? I definitely want to see how you swap Solana tokens. Dabmaster says, yeah, I'm not sure. I like them. Yeah, they're quite interesting NFTs, bro. I'm not saying they're not cool NFTs. I'm just saying they're very unique freaking NFTs. Like, they're just freaking crazy unique NFTs, for sure, to say the least. Advocate NY, did you reinvest in Pepe 2? I haven't reinvested in Pepe 2 yet. I probably will be, probably next month. As I mentioned, I literally just used up all my trading money this month. Because I usually, like, every time I get paid, I have like a percentage that I have for investing, just in case, just so I won't have to like touch like any of my bill money or any of that, you know. So I usually have a percentage of my income that I get paid that it's solely for trading or investing. So if I lose the money, like, I lose the money, you know what I mean? It's not gonna affect my bills or any of that. Like, I already take care of all that into my when I get paid. I already set that up. So I have a percentage, you know, to pay obviously my bills, you know, take care of like my expenses, and then investing, I could go ahead and pretty much lose all that money and it doesn't really change the situation. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to be freaking without food or any of that. But that's kind of like play money. Like, if I just want to like either gamble it, trade it, spend it on, you know, stupid things like clothes or stuff like that. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. It's fun money, bro. It doesn't affect me. Like, if I lose the money, like, it's not going to change my lifestyle that I'm living right now.
Yeah, but you could keep it, right?
Yeah, but it's trading, bro. It's just part of the game. It's investing. It's like you're going to the casino. You don't go to the casino to make money, bro.
No, I get you. Yeah, you do.
That's the wrong mentality, man. That's why you have gamblers.
Well, I go to the casino to have fun, but...
Yeah, but this is the website, right, Chad? Jupiter. All right, so Jupiter, this is the website to go ahead and transact on Solana. Interesting. It's pretty cool how they have most of these tokens already. So they have Peepo, which is all these Solana tokens. So that's actually pretty cool. So Orca is a Solana token too? There's no way. There's no way Orca is a Solana token. Okay, so we have Honey. So we have quite a few tokens in here. Rabbit. I think I was looking at this one earlier too, a while back. Ribbit, I think it's called. Interesting, bro. Good looks on that alpha. So Jupiter's one of the platforms to go ahead and use. Yeah, so it looks like overall, I guess that's a website to go ahead and transact on Solana. So that's some good alpha right there, bro. I really appreciate you on that one. I mean, honestly, there's not much. Let's go ahead and talk about Bitcoin real quick, and then that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't have much on my end. I mean, we could do some additional TA. I mean, most of these tokens are freaking pumping, you know, 100, 200%, 90%. So it looks like, you know, a lot of people are taking advantage of the dip, and honestly, that's what I was expecting, right? I didn't expect the market to recover this quickly, but also remember that we have the FOMC meeting on Wednesday, so we are actually going to be live streaming the Fed talking, which I can just go ahead and tell you what's going to pretty much happen. They're going to probably come out with some news. It's worse than what we expected. Higher market's going to panic. We're probably going to see some sort of sell-off in the market. Dips are going to be bought out, and then we're going to go ahead and have the Fed, more than likely, starting the new year, we're going to go ahead and have them cut interest rates, and then when that happens, they're going to start printing more easy money into the market, meaning the stock market and the crypto market are going to freaking moon. So there's going to be a lot of money coming in this next year, so I'm really, really excited, but overall, the economy is going to get worse. I can just go ahead and say that. Economy is going to get worse. You know, inflation is going to get worse. That's not going to get better. But they will go ahead and have to cut down rates and then start pushing more easy money into the market in order for this market to be sustainable and not fully crash. We have a lot of big things. We have the Bitcoin halving coming in, presidential election as well, and then we have this BS war, which I'm honestly expecting more wars coming up this whole entire year. So overall, you know, just know that we're going to make a lot of money. That's what I could go ahead and tell you. My thoughts on Bitcoin. I mean, honestly, with Bitcoin right now, It looks like we are trying to have some sort of reversal. We are at the oversold territory right now on the RSI. Looking at the 4 hourly, it looks like we are trying to go ahead and break through. It looks like we did find some sort of area of support around the $40,000 Bitcoin. Right now, in order to go ahead and say that we are back in an uptrend, I would like to go ahead and see Bitcoin pass $43,000 and above, and then we're going to be retesting 44,000. So I would say just go ahead and pay attention to 42,432, and also focus on primarily, actually, let's go ahead and keep it this simple. Focus on $43,000 Bitcoin. If we do go ahead and break above that, then we are more than likely going to break past 44,000, and we could go ahead and see $50,000 Bitcoin in the next couple weeks, right? I mean, the month's almost over anyways. But as I mentioned, this is a strong area of resistance. We could also go ahead and get rejected right here at the 42,500 and then come back down, retesting the levels back to $38,000, which is ideally the area that I would like to see Bitcoin, right? It doesn't mean that we have to, but I think that would be a really nice area if we do go ahead and see Bitcoin touch down to $38,000 Bitcoin. I think a lot of people will be happy and actually would be loading up the dip. I mean, I would buy Bitcoin right there, long Bitcoin at 38,000 for sure, because I know that thing's going to hit, $50,000 and above. So let's go ahead and take a look at the DXY right now. As I mentioned, the DXY is something very, very important we need to be looking at moving forward. This is how we're going to go ahead and determine where the market's going to be moving, whether it's going to go up or down. As I mentioned, there's some sort of correlation with Bitcoin. It's not always the case, but it does look like right now we are struggling at the 104.229 area. And if we do go ahead and get rejected, we could be retesting the zone back at the 102 and down below, which would actually be very freaking bullish for crypto overall, and the markets will go ahead and begin pumping, right? So we're going to go ahead and see where the DXY goes in literally the next couple days. As I mentioned, Wednesday, we do have the freaking Fed meeting. So I do believe we're going to have some sort of temporary sell-off. That's usually what we have with the Fed meetings. I mean, we saw it back over here, when the Fed meeting, when the whole entire Fed meeting was, it was worse than freaking expected. It's like, dude, I could have told you that in like literally 2 seconds, and it took them over an hour to tell us that that it was worse than expected, right? The economy's freaking doing better, but the numbers were worse than expected. Like, you can't make any of this up. Like, how does that make any sense? Like, you're telling me the economy is doing bad, but yet we have higher, lower unemployment numbers. I mean, like it doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? But what we saw was we actually saw the DXY dump. As the Fed meeting was actually going on, we actually saw the DXY dump, and we saw Bitcoin and crypto, take a massive pump, and then we had a reversal, literally. So we had a pretty good reversal on that. I think it was probably on a Thursday or Friday, and then we had a quick reversal from the 99 on the DXY, running all the way up to the 107. So don't be surprised if we do go ahead and see the DXY approach the levels back to the 106. I think the 106 zone is going to be a very strong area of resistance, and there is a higher probability we do get rejected at the zone right here and then come back down to the 102 and below, and that'd be the most freaking bullish thing for crypto. Overall, I'm gonna be honest with you, chat, I would like to see the DXY break to the 105, see a little bit more pain in crypto. I think it's needed. I don't like at the zones that we're at, but it doesn't matter what I want, right? It's whatever the market does. But I do believe that we should get away from this greed, and we should start approaching either neutral or fear. That's what I would like to go ahead and see, right? Because it's going to make me feel a little bit more confident in the market. It's going to go ahead and give us an opportunity to load up on those dips, and also is going to go ahead and bring a little bit more confidence into the market overall. So but don't be surprised if we do the opposite. Don't be surprised if the DXY does dump back to the 102 and below, and then freaking crypto starts pumping, right? As I mentioned, this is solely my opinion, but we are seeing, gold slightly up today, silver, gas, everything's kind of actually up right now. Stock market actually finished green today. So we're going to go ahead and see how this week ends. I believe we're probably going to go ahead and have a 50-50 week where we're going to go ahead and have bearish sentiment, a lot of people panicking, but a lot of people taking advantage of the dip overall, loading up, and then we're going to go ahead and have a reversal, I believe. I mean, we're already seeing a lot of these meme tokens freaking literally pumping. Billy says, yo, wow, BTC. What's going on? 41,000. I mean, it's about to hit 42,000, bro. It's freaking insane.
Dude, earlier today I saw that. Didn't it hit 42 like 5 or something? 42.3 or something like that? I
think so. Take a look at SS SHIB. Vernon, I was actually looking at that one, bro. I just literally saved that right now. Let's see.
pretty crazy. It shot up like.
Yeah, this is the one I was actually just looking at, a few minutes ago. 1.47 million of market cap with $184,000 of liquidity. So just be on the lookout for this. I do believe like it is looking for some sort of area of support right now. So I will be loading up on this whenever I get the chance. So down actually 58% for the day. So it actually dumped about 60%. So this is usually the time, not financial advice. You want to go ahead and buy and take advantage of the market. As always, go ahead and support the channel by using my MEXC link down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll go ahead and catch all of you later on today, or actually tomorrow. Depends. Many for you, it's going to be later on today, right? Most of you probably saw me twice today. Good morning, good afternoon. So I'll go ahead and catch all of you.